Hey guys, it's Naturally Cam. It's been a while since the last time I said that. So, instead of giving you a long diatribe about why I've been gone or where I've been, I'm so sorry. I just wanted to come back with content. If you want a video about that, let me know in the comments. We are here today to talk about everything I've been buying in the last few months. So I'm currently in quarantine, along with everyone else in the world. I've been home for over a month, working from home, trying to stay sane, and so I've been doing a lot of shopping. But I also bought some stuff when I went to New York for Fashion Week. So we're gonna talk about that as well, and so I'm just gonna share everything. Oh, quick blurb on what I am wearing. So this sweater is from ZARA. The belt is thrifted from Goodwill. The jeans are thrifted from thredUP, the thredUP by JCPenney collab. My head is wrapped because I don't have a haircut and we've been quarantined. Next item is this beautiful dress from Target, and I'm going to try this on for you guys. I got it for $28. It's from the A New Day collection, and I love it because it's very springy and it's very lightweight, and I just thought it was really nice, and I thought it would really be beautiful with some white sandals, or you know, whenever we're allowed to go back to work. I'm a thredUP ambassador, and so I get to pick items from them every month. And so for March, few pieces. This dress is the first one. You might have seen it on my Instagram. I love this dress because I really like maxi dresses, particularly for summer, because they're really breezy and they're warm. Well, they're not warm, but like they're breezy and they keep heat away. Next from thredUP is this jumpsuit. Now, when I put it on, admittedly, it does kind of look like I have long boobs. The key for things that are really big on you, particularly with short women, petite women in general, you wear things with a belt. It looks really nice with the belt, and maybe with a pair of wedges, a nice chunky necklace. You know, it'd be really beautiful for the cookouts and brunch with friends, or on your porch, if we're being honest. Gotta spice it up sometimes, and I think this is really pretty for that. And this item, this is the third item from thredUP. This is another jumpsuit. The theme last month was like rompers and jumpsuits. So this is like a gray and white stripes with pockets. It's really comfortable. I like to be comfortable and cozy at the same time, if that makes sense. Now I cuffed the bottom, so it's not, so it's kind of long on me, but personally I think it looks better cuffed. I made a recent ZARA order, and it's from their spring collection. It's knits. I love this dress. I've worn it a few times already. It's really comfortable. I mainly wore it around the house, so it's really comfortable. It's got just enough weight to it. Like, it's not too heavy. I've really been in the market for cozy clothes lately, particularly since I've been in the house. So, you know, this is a nice piece for spring, and maybe not summer because it might be too hot for summer, but definitely for spring on those breezier days. You could wear this with like a jean jacket and sneakers, or you could wear it with a pair of white boots, white ankle boots. You know, the possibilities are endless here. So, where do I begin on ZARA's slouchy denim pants for this season? I think these are so cute. So cute. I personally really love mom jeans, and specifically the kind that kind of do like these do, where they come out on the sides, and they're more like balloon pants. I think they're calling them balloon pants now. But I love these, particularly with like a large belt on top. I think they're beautiful, and this color really spoke to me. It's like a lilac or like a lavender. Perfect for spring. You could wear it with like a lightweight cream colored sweater, white sandals. If you wanted, you could even wear it with black. I don't see why you would though. Because you know, you gotta keep the light thing going here. And I got these in New York when I went to Fashion Week, and these are a size 6, like a USA 6. I will say these are pretty true to size. In general, I'm a I'm between a 4 and a 6 depending on the brand and what time of the month it is, if I'm being honest. So, you know, these are a size 6 in ZARA standards and they're a perfect fit. And I got the same pair of pants in like a cream color. So definitely perfect. Oh no, these aren't exactly the same. So these are the slouchy jeans. These ones are the petite because they have seams down the back. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, there's clearly a seam down the back of these pants. So not exactly the same, but similar. These are a US size 8. Actually, no, these are a little big. These are a USA 8 in ZARA standards. And these were $50 at ZARA, so not a bad price for summer jeans. These are the ever so popular bodysuits that you see everybody on Instagram wearing. I bought a few of these last fall in black, mainly to wear under my blazers. But I stocked up on more for spring, specifically in this beautiful reddish orange color. And then I also got it in white. So these would actually be perfect with either of those pairs of jeans over there, which I'll probably pair them up. A really great basic for spring and summer. You can wear them under blazers. You can wear them with jeans. You can wear them with sneakers, wear them on the weekend. You know, like there are a lot of possibilities with these bodysuits. I got this belt while I was in New York, and I'm honestly glad that I grabbed it because these sold out pretty fast. Yes, this belt is from ZARA. I don't remember how much it was now. I ripped the tag off shortly after buying it to mainly use for that photo shoot during Fashion Week. I believe it can't have been any more than $25, $30. Kind of pricey for a non-leather belt, but honestly, I thought it was worth it because of how gorgeous it is. Perfectly over a coat, over a blazer. Like it's honestly a perfect staple that you need in your wardrobe. Those are all the clothes I bought. So now let's get into accessories. So the first pair are these beautiful white heeled sandals. And I think these are just perfect for spring and summer. You always need a good white sandal. I think these are beautiful. They were inexpensive. They were all on sale. I believe I got them for around $30 each. And I think they're unique because of the gold detailing and the way the strap falls. I think these are great. Next, I got these beautiful purple slides, mules, and I think these are gorgeous. They're like a suede material. I think they're great for a plain white t-shirt if you want to spice up an outfit. Plain white t-shirt, blue jeans, like mom jeans, and these mules would be perfect. All these heels aren't very high. I have flat feet, so I can't do super high heels. So these are perfect. They're not very high, they're really cute, and I'm excited to wear them out. We have these beautiful pink babies. They are mules. They're really pretty. They're like a neon pink. Honestly beautiful. Another instance of pop of color where you could really spice up a white t-shirt and jeans outfit. These are beautiful. And they were cheap. They were like $30. Last pair of shoes from Charles & Keith were these orange sandals. Very pretty, like a staple for spring and summer. Maybe not in orange, but I love orange. And so I just love colorful shoes. So these would be really nice with black. You know, you see how they pop against my shirt? They'd be really nice with a black dress or a black button down in jeans or a black button down in a skirt. They're really comfortable and they're really nice. Now the strap kind of confused me initially because this doesn't actually open. The shoes stretch so that you can put them on. So that is everything from Charles & Keith. I actually forgot to share the 2 pairs of earrings that I got from ZARA. So the first pair are, let's see if I can close them and show them to you correctly. It's a very almost like antique looking gold earring. They're kind of hard to put on, but they honestly look really beautiful on your ear. I also bought these from ZARA. These are beautiful, and these are honestly my favorite earrings right now. I'm not wearing them right now because I wanted to show them, but I love the texture to them. They're just the right size. They're perfect for casual wear. They're perfect dressing them up. These are honestly some beautiful earrings. I did pick up a little something from the Real shortly before I moved, and I don't know if they were having a sale or what, but I had been looking at this bag for a while and it was beautiful and I couldn't resist. This is I don't know if it's vintage or not, but it's Stuart Weitzman. It's honestly beautiful. Like, look at the detailing of it. Okay. It's like a beautiful powder blue. And when you open the inside of it, there's some stuffing in it. It's really nice. It's the perfect little evening bag. I think I paid maybe $80 for it, which isn't bad at all. And it's 100% authentic. I'm also the Real ambassador. So I just regularly buy products from the Real. I also love like vintage and like vintage inspired items. And so I really appreciate like almost the grandma silhouette of this bag and how it just nicely tucks under my arm. Bottega Veneta, I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a croissant. And the dumpling croissant shaped pouch is really popular. But of course, that's like $1,800 and I'm not about to do that for a croissant, okay? I try to stick to something cheap so I can try the style, and then if I like it enough, I may invest in it in the future, but that's just too high. So I got these two bags from Amazon Fashion, like from Amazon. They're dupes. They're really good dupes, actually. I got it in 2 colors. It's a very comfortable bag. Stick it under your arm, and then you open the inside, and there's nothing on the inside, but for it to be fake leather, it's really soft and it's really well made. So I have this color, and I have like the off-white as well. Last thing I bought is a new item, but it's from a sustainable brand called CURATED. This is a brand, another brand that I've been following on Instagram for a while, and they have really beautiful, high quality, sustainable luxury items. They make every item to order, so it's not a ton of waste. They only pick select factories. So I have this bag that I've been eyeing from them for a long time, and so here it is. Now, I love when brands are very detailed. It says the curated for Cameron. Thank you for supporting our female-founded label. We hope this brings you joy with every wear. We curate affordable, sustainable luxury that you can rely on to elevate your outfit effortlessly. The Curated. I also appreciate the subtle branding. Like, the dust bag is very simple and clean. The box it came in, the wrapping paper was really nice as well. Look at this bag, guys. Look at how gorgeous this is. So it reminds me of the Celine box bag. So it's like designer inspired. Strap is inside. I haven't set the strap up yet, but isn't it beautiful? Look at that detail. Like, just look at how pretty it is. And then the branding is very subtle. It's on the inside of the bag. It says, see if you can see that. It says the Curated on the inside. So gorgeous. Very minimalist. I feel like I'm very minimalist with my style, so I really appreciate a brand that does the same thing. Okay, that's my video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion, beauty, and hair content. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.